Hello everyone. Today I will show you the cubing notations. Now, in some of my videos, you've probably seen me put random letters on top of the video. Now, this is these are cubing notations that are used to identify what move you're doing. Now, there are four types of cubing moves. So there are face moves like this. There are wide moves where you also move the middle layer along with the faces. There are rotations like this. And there are slice moves. So first let me go over some face moves. So first of all, this is U. And at the end of some notations, you will see an apostrophe. That means it's the move but prime, so the opposite way. So this is U prime. And then there's D and D prime, R, R prime, L, L prime, F, F prime, B, B prime. And next are the wide moves. So there's U wide prime, D wide prime, R wide prime, L wide prime, F wide prime, B wide and B wide prime, and those are the wide moves. So as you can see in wide moves, you're doing the face moves, but you're just taking the middle piece along with it. Now next are rotations. Rotations are kind of interesting in how they're named. So X. X is rotating on the X-axis. And then there's X and there's X prime. And then Y is rotating on the Y-axis. So Y and Y prime. And then Z is going on the Z-axis. So Z and Z prime. Now, next are slice moves. Slice moves. Here are the slice moves. M, M prime, E, E prime, and S, S prime. Now, those are all the basic cubing notations used throughout cubing. Now, for bigger cubes like the Megaminx, well, it's not a cube, but it's a dodecahedron. And the 4x4, 5x5, there are even more moves. And then there are even more complicated cubes, like, well, don't get me into it. For example, 9x9. You have a million move types. Like you have inner slice, even more inner slice, blah blah blah. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.